Let's see how to open an Android emulator right from Visual Studio Code. So first I'm going to open the extensions view from here, and here I'm going to look for iOS Android. And the first option that we see is the Android iOS emulator, the one with the red logo, so I'm going to choose this one, and let's go ahead and install this extension. And it was installed. We now need to click on the gear icon down here for Manage. Then I'm going to choose the settings for Visual Studio Code, and here I'm going to look for Emulator. And under Extensions, we can see the emulator configuration. This is the extension we just downloaded. Now here we need to specify the path to our emulator script. So this one depends on your operating system. I'm going to show the path for Linux, but it's very similar if you are on macOS or Windows. So let me open my File Explorer, and right now I'm in my Home folder. And here we have this folder called Android, and inside Android we have SDK, and in the SDK folder we have this folder, Emulator. This is the folder we need, so let's copy this path. So I can right click on it and copy, and let's get back to Visual Studio Code. And since I am on Linux, I'm going to paste the path to this box, Emulator Path Linux. I can right click and paste. Let's close our settings, and now I'll open the command palette using Ctrl-Shift-P, and here I'm going to look for Emulator. And here is the emulator option, so let's choose it, and let's view Android emulators. And I only have one emulator installed. I installed it using Android Studio, so let's choose this emulator, and it immediately opens.